Have you ever looked closely at a car's radiator fan and noticed that the blades aren't evenly spaced? That's not a mistake, but there's actually a clever engineering reason behind it. When fan blades are arranged in a perfectly even pattern, they tend to produce a type of noise called tonal noise, a loud, irritating hum. This happens due to harmonic resonance, where each blade pushes air in sync, creating sound waves that line up and amplify each other. The result? A much louder and more unpleasant noise. But when the blades are unevenly spaced, each one moves air at a slightly different point in the rotation. This means the sound waves they produce don't line up. Instead of combining and getting louder, the waves interfere with each other and cancel out. This effect is called destructive interference, and it's what helps make the fan much quieter, with more of a soft, white noise effect rather than a harsh hum. Now you might be wondering, does an uneven spacing make the fan unbalanced? Great question. While the spacing is uneven, engineers make sure the weight of each blade is precisely calculated so the center of mass remains perfectly balanced. This means the fan can run just as smoothly and cool the engine just as effectively as a fan with evenly spaced blades. So then, why not use uneven spacing on all fans? Well, like many things in engineering, it's a balancing act. Slight efficiency trade-off. In some cases, uneven airflow may lead to a very minor drop in cooling efficiency, though it's often considered worth it for the noise reduction. Increased design complexity. Designing an unevenly spaced yet perfectly balanced fan takes more precision and complexity in manufacturing. Despite these trade-offs, the benefits are clear: quieter operation, reduced vibration, and improved comfort for passengers. So the next time you hear a car fan quietly doing its job, remember, there's some clever science behind that silence. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple and clear breakdowns of automotive technology.